going to today is 3 miles offshore. There's a deep water shelf out here. It starts about 200 feet and drops down to 600 or 800 feet. The two main types of sharks we might get lucky and see today are the sandbar and the galapagos. So sandbar are a bit smaller, about 4 to 6 feet. They're kind of like sharks on caffeine though. They have a lot of energy and makes up for their smaller shark size. Galapagos, a bit larger, 6 to 12 feet, kind of known as the bull sharks of Hawaii.
You were nervous?
Not really, just 100% safe with me.
Sharks kill less than 10 people per year worldwide. That's a super small number when you think of how many people are in the world and in the water every single day. You're more likely to die from a coconut hitting you in the head, be struck by lightning twice, have a lawnmower kill you, a cow. I learned you're more likely to be bitten by a New Yorker in New York. But yeah, do you guys know about how many sharks are killed by humans every year?
Millions.
Millions? It is millions. It's about 100 million sharks are killed every year. It's about 2 to 3 sharks per second, and it's actually a low estimate. This is the reported amount. It's believed to be up to 200 million sharks. One of the main causes is shark fin soup. This originated in Asia, sort of a status symbol. It's where the fishermen will catch the sharks, they'll chop their fins off and throw the living bodies back into the water. Obviously, the sharks don't survive this, and it's for a soup that's not even nutritionally good for you. It's super high in mercury levels. Other huge issues are like shark fishing, marine debris, plastic, and shark culling. Another huge one is bycatch, which is where the fishermen will throw large nets behind their boats, and obviously besides fish, they catch other marine life, such as like sea turtles, dolphins, and sometimes even sharks. And even if they get thrown back, a lot of times they still don't survive. So scientists predict if we keep going at the rate we're going, we could see fishless oceans by 2048, or even more plastic in our oceans than fish. So something you guys can do to help change this is eat less seafood or just eat more sustainably. So know where your seafood's coming from, try to get from like single line fishermen, spear fishermen, things like that. Try to avoid the large commercial fisheries. Also know what's in the products you're using. So like squalene or squalene is actually shark liver oil. It's found in some makeup products, face creams, lotions, things like that. Shark is sometimes found in pet foods. And FedEx is actually one of the largest shippers of shark fins, and they refuse to stop shipping them. If you guys are ever in the store and you see whitefish, dogfish, flake, or any of these other names, it's actually shark meat, and they give it a different name so you guys don't realize you're actually purchasing